Hi folks, after so long, welcome back to another video of Artisan Reads. Today we'll be doing a home decor DIY. These are quite trendy and come in metal or marble. I have used cardboard today. The process is quite simple as you can see in the video, but today let me share the recipe for this texture paste. Here I have taken equal parts of marble powder, water and half portion of fevicol and mixed it well till it reached the correct consistency, as you can see. The art piece that we are making here is Tree of Life. There are various theories and meaning based on different religions and mythologies. Let me share the belief that I resonate with the most. It is believed that the roots represent our values. The branches denotes our wisdom, wisdom being the outcome of our values, and the trunk is the mind and the body, through which we convert our values to wisdom. Coming back to the video, here you have to spread the texture paste evenly on the cutout. Later, you can give the detailing using any object. Here I am using the butter knife. If you have spatula, it will be well and good. Um, I just used the spare butter knife that I had. Doesn't this tree remind you of the great Bodhi tree under which Buddha gained his enlightenment? Yeah. So that is also one of the theories. The tree of life is kind of a representation for the Bodhi tree as well, as per Buddhism. So, like I said, different religions has different meanings to the same tree of life, and it is a common thing that connects all the religion, be it Hinduism, Buddhism, Baha'i, Christianity. They all have some concepts and theory behind the tree of life. Before starting this craft, when I googled tree of life for the first time, the meaning that I saw was it represents afterlife. It represents the connection between earth and heaven. So that is also one of the theories and most renowned theory behind the tree of life. Connection, strength, growth, rebirth, family, and tranquility are few other attributes that it represents. No matter which concept you follow, Tree of Life is truly inspiring by all means, and we can always adhere to the quote: a tree with strong roots laughs at storms. It's not just a quote, rather a fact. A strong personality is not someone who has great power or someone who is very successful in their respective careers, but a great personality or a strong personality is the one who stands by his values, just like the strong and grounded roots of the tree of life. So, my message with this video is be strong, be happy, and be creative. Signing off today. Have a great day.